In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to go and create your own Facebook page. So if you have a local business or any business for that matter, a Facebook page is going to be a really important tool for you to use to build a community around your business, to get, let's say, info out or just to use for marketing. So let's quickly get started. So I'm using a desktop. If you're using the desktop, you'll see maybe, let's say if you haven't switched back to the classic form yet, you're going to be actually using the new Facebook platform. So let's quickly go and right here next to your name, you'll find a plus. Click that and then go to the page option. Then when you're at the page option, you're going to see it's going to ask you some information. So let's quickly type our business name in here. Then you're going to see it's going to give you a check mark, and then you know the business name is ready for you to take. Or it's maybe just like this business, maybe it's going to make one letter a capital letter, and then you know there's other business name also maybe using the same business name. So just keep an eye out for that. Before you go and choose any business name or the way you want to put your business name in here, go in here to the Facebook search and search your business name right in here and see if anyone's maybe taken the page or not, and then maybe just change a little bit in your business name by maybe going and adding some stuff or just taking some stuff away, or maybe adding something else, and so on. So the next thing to do is choose the category. So for this example, you were using a plumbing company. So we're going to just type in here plumbing. You're going to see it's going to give us plumbing service, and let's say we're also a contractor or so on, or we do paint and all that type of stuff. You can also go in here and add the tags in here. So next is your description. So all of this can be edited after you've created the business page as well, so don't worry about that. You can even go and change the page name. So then just go in here and type your description out and hit create page. So for this example, I already have a page, so you can go through this process quickly and then you can meet me at the next step and we'll continue. Okay, so then you're going to open your business page then and go into your business. And then you're going to see everything is going to be empty. You're going to have nothing on this page. So then the first thing you must go and do is go into software called canva.com, and it's really simple to use, and create yourself some banners and so forth. So then create yourself a banner you're going to add here. Then you just hit edit and you use upload and you upload your banner. Same for the logo. Make sure you go and upload your logo and make sure that everything is the correct size. So you don't want to upload maybe a banner or something or a logo, but it's just cutting out the middle of the logo and so forth. This needs to look really professional because it's the first thing people see when they go into your Facebook page. So the next thing we're going to quickly do is go to settings. And then we're going to go and connect our Instagram or our WhatsApp if you want to use WhatsApp. So you can just go down here and hit Instagram. Then so you can see I already connected my Instagram here. Then what you can go and do is it's going to say connect. Then you just log into your Instagram with your login details. Then for WhatsApp, it's going to ask you to connect it here. You're going to go and you're going to add your WhatsApp number. Or let's say you have a WhatsApp business. The number you want to add here is just going to give it you in. You're going to type it. And then it's going to send you a code that you're going to put in here. And then it's going to activate on your page. So let's say you maybe typed the name wrong or something goes wrong or something like that, and you just want to change some stuff as well. Then you can go to edit page info, and then you can go and change the name of your page here, your username. So basically username it's going to be something like .facebook.com/ and then what comes after that, like mine is going to be Wessel Media. You can change your description here, make sure that your categories are correct here. And then you can go and add your phone number here. So I highly recommend you add your phone number and an email address. Then if you have a website, you can also add that in here. So let's say you maybe don't have a website or something. Then you can just go and hit this button that says my page doesn't have a website. You can type in your address. For example, my page doesn't have a business location because we're working remotely. So then what you can do is also go down here and hit the button that says my page doesn't have a location. So the next thing you can go and do is do your hours. Go and make sure if you have any temporary service changes, make sure you choose those in here. Add your privacy policy and all this other information in here. So with price range, I just would recommend you go and choose unspecified and don't go and say expenses and so forth, because then maybe clients will get the wrong idea of your business and they maybe won't contact you and so forth. So that's basically it. make sure that when you go and you created your Facebook page, you added your logos and you set up all your settings on the left hand side here, you go and upload at least 10 posts before you actually go and invite people to like your page. I would say 5 at the least, but go and aim for 10 posts. Maybe upload some pictures of your business if you have a brick and mortar store, or maybe let's say you're doing something like I'm doing that's maybe internet based, or you're running an online store or something. Maybe go down and upload some info here for the people, maybe some product pictures or something like that. Or let's say something like I'm doing, maybe if you want to be a motivational speaker or something, you can just add some quotes or something in here. Go into Canva and make some nice graphics that you can go and upload into the Facebook page just to get some content on you if people are scrolling through here and wanting to maybe just see what you are about. Because let's say you go and invite a lot of people to the page and you don't have any content on here, you're not going to keep people's attention. Okay guys, thank you for watching the tutorial. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and we'll try to answer back to you. If you have a really urgent question, please send us an email and we'll gladly help you out with anything. So guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials like this uploaded weekly.